Asura Kalanemi. As part of the process, to break through the links between realms, talas and lokas, one must break through the physical spatial barriers. But as one gets closer to the Brahman one, there also must be a time-dimensional part to it as well. In Aaiyyanist tradition, Kalanemi is a powerful dark asura that exists as a fragment of the wheel of time and can travel backwards and forwards through it at will. Mainstream Hindus believe the Kalanemi was killed by Vishnu during a battle between the Suras and Asuras. But Dravidian Aaiyanists believe the Kalanemi surrendered to the protector after realizing his omnipotence and was sent as a guardian to the Asura Tala. Kalanemi is a master of time, but he also chooses to exist inside it, and he has been reincarnated several times during the lifetime of this universe. Most Hindus will recognize Kalanemi from one of his most famous incarnations, Kamsa, the evil ruler of the Vrishni kingdom. Being a master of time means that parts of Kalanemi's essence can be used to pay back the karmic debt incurred by Kalanemi and his many forms. But to break the powerful bonds that separate Brahman from human, one must appeal to the ancient and original form of Kalanemi. As described in previous sections, Dantan and Lankini control the powerful negative resonant energy and the gateways, or portals, for it to flow. Asura Kalanemi controls the final part of the equation to the higher gods. That is, he controls the flow of time that the resonant energy needs to saturate. Tantric Aaiyanists invoke Kalanemi to learn about the past and the future, and to direct the tremendous amounts of negative energy in the Asura Tala to areas inside this world of our current time, or in the past or future. The joining that you will perform with this demon is a powerful link that transcends time and space, so should be used with care. Traditionally, only high-level gurus and Aaiyani-level Aaiyanists have invoked Kalanemi for their own purposes. It should be noted that only the Kalanemi branch of the Abhichara school have ever invoked this Asura, and only then sparingly. We have provided the information to invoke this Asura, but it would be best to link up with the lesser entities in the course to prepare yourself.